That is exactly what you need for this festive season. Hello and welcome back. Here we're still in the festive mood. So, and during this festive season, let's just imagine, there's that feeling that you always just keep on feeling like you just need to keep yourself entertained with some food as you watch some Netflix and do other activities. But imagine a scenario where you've eaten already a meal at lunchtime, or you just had brunch and you still want something to enjoy as you wait for dinner. And you're a large family or someone just pops up. What do? Remember the last time we made some tortilla wraps? Yes, that's now where this comes into play. So we're going to make some homemade style shawarma over here so that you can easily make it when you're just at home and you can enjoy it in very few minutes. This is something that you can prepare in about 15 minutes as long as you have your tortilla wraps ready. So if you haven't watched that tortilla wrap video, please do make sure you watch and subscribe. This festive season, we're actually making sure we enjoy everything about the festivities with very little or a very accommodative budget. Remember the economic situation right now, not the very best, but you still have to enjoy. So subscribe if you haven't, and if you haven't watched that video, please go and watch it so that you can be able to make this right at home. So let's begin. So for this, we'll just begin with our chicken. So we'll make the chicken, let it marinate. Then after that, we're going to fry it, then make the sauce for the shawarma as well as the filling for that, so that you can enjoy. So we'll make some tweak to it. This is something that you can make up at home easily. So you're just going to make this. So you begin by cutting. This is boneless chicken, so I've chosen the breast, but you can choose any piece. Then now what you're going to do is just prepare very slight cuts of it. So you're just going to do slight cuts or strips of the chicken. So you're just going to make small strips like this. Yep. So once done, we're just going to transfer it into our bowl to marinate. So you can see they're very thin, just like the way you get your shawarma chicken. So that's how you should just make them, very thin cuts. So next, we're just going to add a bit of oil. We add our spices. So over here I have black pepper, garam masala, some bit of cumin, thyme, paprika. So you just add that in, and some onion powder. Some onion powder. And then this is the onion powder. I was about to forget it. Then over here, some bit of corn flour. This will make it a bit more crispy and crunchy once you fry it. So some corn flour. Then some bit of acid. So you can use lemon or vinegar. That's your choice. Some bit of the soy sauce. Then you just mix. So yeah, that is as good as done. Once you've mixed it, you're just going to cover it and let it marinate for about 30 minutes in your fridge. Remember, during the festive season, always have some marinated meat with you, because you never know when the party is gonna pop up. Hii ni ile time when unaambiwa ukitoka you don't know when you're going to come back. So it's the same in your house. Always have some marinated chicken, beef, pork to your preference, and can enjoy them at any time. So for boneless chicken, you just need 30 minutes to at most 2 hours, because it's already soft, so you don't want it to over soften. So we're just going to put this into the fridge and let it stay for about 30 minutes, then we fry it. So as your chicken is marinating, we're just going to prepare the rest of the ingredients. So we're first going to start with the sauce that we're going to use for our homemade shawarma or shawarma style. So we have over here some ketchup, some mayonnaise, some barbecue sauce, and some bit of garlic. So we're just going to add that into our bowl. Add some bit of ketchup, and then we're going to add some bit of the mayonnaise. Then we add some bit of the barbecue sauce. This is just to give it some bit of that barbecue taste to it. This is optional. Mekata kobe. Okay, so we just added some bit of it. You just want very little to give it some bit of that barbecue taste and smokiness to it. Then some bit of garlic. Garlic I've just used half a teaspoon. You can use as much as you want depending on how garlicky you want your sauce to be. If you like too much garlic, then you can use that a lot. Yeah, so that's it for our sauce. Then we're just going to stir and set it aside in the fridge as well, so that we use it now once we're done with the rest of the filling. So this is our sauce. Easy as that for the sauce, very simple. So we put it in the fridge. For the filling, we're just going to prepare some sweet corn over here. Just let it cook for about 3 minutes as we cut our carrots and cabbage. For the rest of the filling, I have, this is just the normal cabbage or the white cabbage, and then we have the purple or red cabbage, and then the carrots. So what you want is to just grate into thin slices. So the good thing about this, I think it's called a mandolin or something. I just got it, the beauty of going to the show. So I just got it at the showground. This was when 2019. Yeah, and that's how useful it has been. So you're just going to grate this. Then for the cabbage, you're just going to use this top part to get those thin, you want to find very thin slices for this. So that's why I'm just using this. Then do the purple cabbage as well. This just adds more color to your filling. So that is it. That's good for me, because I'm not making a huge batch. But remember, if you're making a huge batch, you can add the quantities. So let's just transfer this into your bowl. And with that, all your fillings are now ready. Then remember, we kept our sweet corn to cook, so it's also ready. It just takes about 2 to 3 minutes, very fast and quick. So we're just going to add this as well into our filling. So that's ready as it is. Then just mix everything up. So you just want to ensure everything is mixed up. So that's it for our filling. This is ready. So we're now going to take our chicken and then fry and make everything come together into one beautiful shawarma. Our oil is hot. We're just going to add our chicken into the oil and let it fry. Remember not to add too much, depending on how big your pan is. So just add a bit at a time. So for me, I'm just going to add all of it since my pan can accommodate quite a lot. Once ready, just remove from the pan. That very sweet, ready looking yummy, and ready to have in your shawarma at home. So finally, everything is ready and set. So over here we have some tortillas. Remember, this is easy. You can make them before, store them in the fridge, and enjoy them at any time. We have our chicken. You can just see how crunchy it is. Very yummy. It's a taste. A taste test. So, and then we have our sauce. Then we have the filling that we prepared earlier. So I'm just going to add some bit of mayo to our filling, just to make it a bit more creamy. So that's enough. Then we just tie it again. So with that, then we take one tortilla. Remember this, you can repurpose it to whatever you feel like. You can also make a chapati wrap at home. You just need your leftover chapatis. If you have leftover chapatis and you want to do something for breakfast, you can just use the leftover chapatis. Just follow the same steps. Then we're just going to apply some bit of this sauce on top of our tortilla. Remember, you can find the full recipe of the tortilla on the previous video on how we made it. So just some bit of the sauce. So once you spread some bit of that sauce, then you can add your filling. So just a bit of it. So this is just a bit, then we add again our sauce on top. You want it to be very saucy. Then our chicken. And just see how crunchy they came out. That's the reason why we put the cornstarch or the corn flour. That helps it in terms of getting that crispy, nice, crispy texture. And then add our final layer of the sauce. And that is it. Very easy. Then now you can just wrap it. That is how easy it is. Very easy and convenient for any time, provided you have leftovers or you have some fillings. Remember, this filling is also, you can customize it. You can have maybe some leftover vegetables or a different salad. You can use actually that. It doesn't have to be this. I just prefer to make this for this particular scenario. But it's the festive season. There's a lot of leftovers. So use as many leftovers as possible to make your fillings. So that is it. Easy to make and very easy to enjoy and ready in just 15 minutes. It's very easy. So after that, we just obviously have to do the taste test. We cannot make all this goodness and not have a taste test. So that is exactly what you need for this festive season. Everything just comes together so perfectly. You too should try it. Definitely give it a try this festive season, and let me know what you think about it, and enjoy with your family and friends. This is pure goodness. You just need to have it for this festive season. So without any further ado, because I really want to continue eating this and finish it. Thank you so much. Remember to comment after you've tried also the recipe. Come back and let me know how you found it, and I hope you'll enjoy it and have a very, very, very happy festive season. Till next time, kwaheri. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to get notified of the next video during this festive season and any other time. See you!